Minecraft.
Oh, galing si Papa and Roel, oh. Galing si Mama maglaro.
Magaling si Mama Hindi.
Hindi ako magaling.
Oh, nasad na si Mama. Put it here. Oh.
Oh, I'm the winner. I'm the first. What's that? What's the name of your car? Galing mo. Is that F1? How about you?
It's a booster.
The booster. I have steering wheel. You don't have steering wheel. How can you run?
But I have a steering wheel inside.
Hello, you have a turbo?
I have
You have a turbo?
You're not so fast. I am.
Why? Because you have turbo?
Yup.
Wow. Galing mo kay Papa din, oh.
Galing si Wael.
Hindi ka ikaw magaling.
Hold on.
You're all done? Pick up your car. Pick up your car. Excuse me. Excuse me.
This one?
Yeah, that's yours. Hindi kailangan perfect.
Sorry, car.
Okay lang yan.
Tirael.
Ito lang pala magtatagal. Bumili na lang sana ng
Bili na lang tayo.
Bili na lang ng Lego.
Hmm.
Oh, ganda.
It's there na Lego.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lego. Race against them.
Okay.
What are you building, Rael? Uy, building niya. Ano yan? Makia?
Alien. Alien invasion.
But
It's an alien cell phone. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Wow, it's a long time. Nakarin naman masyado nito. Wala ng train. Grabe yan. Super long. Wow, what is that, Rael? Super long.
it's a long short wheel.
Long sharp way.
It can fit inside your big building. It can fit inside Empire State Building.
Oh, galing. How about Papa? What is Papa building?
He's making a hammerhead shark.
Hello. It's a hammerhead shark.
But I'm bigger than him. I can eat him.
You eat the hammerhead shark?
Yup, whales can eat fish and hammerhead shark.